What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Just picked up the new iPhone 11 Pro Max in space gray. Guys, I love my iPhone 11 Pro Max, but I wanted to show you what one looks like in space gray. So I just grabbed this one, and you can see here we've got the plastic tab. Just pulls off like that, and the whole thing unwraps. You don't even need a knife to get into these things anymore. And there we have the space gray box, and ooh, it just opens up like it's a high-end piece of equipment, and boom, wow. Let's get it to fall out there. Man, that space gray is nice. Oh yeah, unwrap it. Beautiful Gorilla Glass edge-to-edge screen there, but man, look at that space gray. Am I disappointed that I got in green as opposed to the space gray? Kind of right now, because there's a little bit of this matte finish, really mirror-like finish where the logo is, which I'm guessing they just don't etch it like this area, and so you get a mirror-like reflection there, which is kind of funny to me, and I'll show you why here in a second, because I'll compare this to the normal iPhone 11. But you get this beautiful, I guess they call it space gray. It's basically black in my opinion. It might be more of a charcoal, but what we get here is this kind of nice soft, so kind of finish, so you don't show fingerprints there really. And then we have like a very polished, I love that kind of black chrome look, a stainless steel band. I might have said aluminum somewhere else. And then you can see here, the interesting thing about this camera housing is that it is very shiny as well, mirror-like finish, and even, I'm assuming, stainless steel or aluminum rings around the sapphire lenses. And this is the Pro Max, identified by the 1x, 2x, and then the wide-angle 0.5x lens right there. And you can see the dual LED flash and microphone. Man, just beautiful. I mean, there's not much else to see. I do love the look. I mean, it's just kind of dark, sinister, and timeless in many ways. Microphone and speaker cutouts. You can see the SIM card, power button right there. Volume rocker and mute switch, which is quite exacting. But now I want to pull in the iPhone 11 here, kind of the standard model, and I want to show you, we actually have reverse finishes. So on the 11, the glass back is all shiny as opposed to matte, and the camera housing here is matte textured, while the iPhone 11 Pro is shiny. So it's a little contradictory, and then, or a little counterpoint to each other. And then as you can see here, the stainless steel band on the Pro is polished and mirror-like as opposed to being bead blasted like it is on the 11. So kind of some subtle differences there. Pretty cool. See my hand sweat. So that's the difference between those two. But man, that space gray is gorgeous. I do have a little regret that this wasn't the one I got initially, but it's very nice. Hey, if you want to pick up an iPhone 11 Pro Max, check out the link in the description below. You can find a good deal on one there. Peter Von Panda.